Hello guys, this is I'm 70 and I'm making this video to show you how to set up the Remix Elo bot in your server. And please forgive me because my English isn't that good, and I feel that you sometimes want to be comfortable with my English. So yeah, the first thing to do is to go to server settings and create a new role and call it register or registered, or name it whatever you want. It's up to you. And that is the role which players will take when they register. Okay, and then you have to do equal set underscore register underscore role, and wait a minute, register. Okay, and mention the rules that you have created. Okay, and okay, register role has been successfully set. So let's quickly set up the categories that we will need later. Okay, name it queues, and that's such the category which contains the queues voice channels, and games, and that will contain the games, the text channels that the players will pick their teammates and so on. Okay, and scoring category for scoring purposes, and teams channels, and that is a category which will contain the team's voice channels that the bot will automatically move players into those rooms. Okay, so and we want the new member to join the server to just see this text channel, and not to see the others. Okay, so we'll go to edit category, permissions, view channel, make it false. Okay, and register, make it true. Okay, and I'll make it on all the categories like this. Everyone make it false, then add register all and make it true. Okay, and I'll finish setting up the permissions and I'll be back. Okay, I have finished the permission thing, and I have removed the admin's permissions for me, so that as you can see, I can just see the register room right now. And when I register, wait a minute, register 70, I'll take the register role, and my name has changed, as you can see, and I can see the other rooms right now. And so yeah, let's move to the next part. Okay, so let's set up our queue. Okay, the first thing is to make a voice channel and call it whatever you want. Okay, and before you set up the queue, you have to set up 3 things before you set up it. And the first thing is to go to user settings. Okay, and go to advanced and make sure that the developer mode is true. Okay, and the first thing to set up is you have to set up the games category channel. So you should type equal set underscore games underscore category, and click right click on the games category and copy its ID and paste it. And okay, games category has been set successfully. Okay, the second thing is the channel category, and copy the ID and equal set underscore teams underscore category, and paste the ID. Okay, teams category has been successfully set. And the last thing is reports channel. So equal set underscore reports underscore channels, and that is the room which the scoring report will be sent in, the scoring report of the winner team or the winner person. Okay, and mention the reports channel. Okay, and okay, set report this channel, news channels mention. Okay, and if you want to know any command, just press equal help, and yeah. Okay, to create the queue, okay, you have after setting up all of the things, to create a queue, equal cq or create queue, and the number of players, and say we need 4, and the number of teams, 2. Okay, and you can change it as you want, 8 2 9 3, as you want. Okay, and copy the ID of the voice channel, which is Q1. Okay, and paste it, and you should pass an announcement channels. So we're gonna go right here and create item called announcements. Okay, announcements. Okay, and copy its ID. Okay, so equal CQ, the number of players, the number of teams, the voice channel ID, the announcement channel ID, or you can mention it. Okay, a new queue has been created successfully, and it gives you the voice channel ID and the announcements channel, and all of the information. And the current state of the auto moving is true. If you wanna turn off the auto moving, just do auto underscore moving. Okay, and it will toggle it. And if you wanna to make it true again, just do equal auto moving again. Okay, and you can do equal queues to show you all the queues of your server in your server. Okay, and by the way, in the unpremium server you can just create for 5 queues, and if you want to increase the number, just buy the premium. And how to buy the premium, do equal premium, and nice typing, equal premium, and it will send you all the information, the DMs and the direct messages. And or you can just join the official server of the bot and talk to the admin as to this account. Okay, mention me right there, or you can just direct message me. Okay, okay, and if you have any suggestions for the bot, you can type it in the suggestions room in the official server. And if you wanted to have a specific feature in your bot, or a specific command, you can direct message me, and yeah. Okay, you can just create 5 queues. Okay, so if you wanna delete any queue, just do equal dq and take the voice channel ID and paste it right there. Wait a minute, like that, and queue has been deleted successfully. And if you do equal queues, there is no queues in the server. Okay, and that's the queues. Let's move to the next part. So let's talk about how to set up the elo rules, and that's the rules which determines how many elo the player should take when the player wins, and how many elo the player should lose when the player gets to lose, and so on. Okay, and you should first make the error rules. Okay, and by the way, the remix elo, which is the rank of the bot or the rule of the bot should be above any other rule. Okay, so let's create a rule and call it call, for example, limit whatever you want. It's not okay, call skip skip. Okay, and put it right here. Okay, and create a rule and call it iron. Okay, skip skip. And I don't know what's wrong with Discord nowadays. Okay, name it gold. Give it. Okay. 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 And make a role limit diamond, for example. And okay. And the last one is ruby. Okay, so when I register to be here. Okay, and come here, the iron right here. Okay, thank you, this Chris. Okay, awesome. Okay, so after you finish making the rules, okay, we're gonna equal rules. As you see, there is no rules, just the register one. Okay, so equal add rule. Okay, and mention the rules that you want to add, and the starting point, and that's just starting point that the player will take the role. And I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. And it's by 100. You can't say 50. Okay, it's 0, 100, 200. You can't say 250. Okay, and it should be divisible by 100. Okay, and okay, if you did 100, and it will raise the error because you didn't set up the rule with the starting point 0, and you have to add the rules in order. Okay, and so equal add rule, and call 0. Okay, and here you put the amount of elo the player will take when he gets a 1. Okay, and so you can say can say 25, and then you will put the amount of elo that the player will lose when he gets a lose. So I'd say 10, and after that you will put the amount of elo that the player will take when he gets MVP. Okay, so I will put 15. Okay, so okay, rule has been successfully added. Okay, the rule ID, the starting point, and plus 25 when on win, and on lose minus 10, and on MVP plus 15. Okay, and if you did equal rules, okay, you will see that there is a call. Okay, and equal add rule and mention iron. Okay, iron starting point is 100, and 20, 10, 15. Okay, equal add underscore rule a gold 20, 15, 15 equal add I didn't put the starting point, so yeah, gold starting point of 200. Okay, equal add underscore rule. Sorry for repeating, but so you will ask me what should I do if I want For example, the diamond rule to be from 300 to 500, not to 400. I'll tell you, just add it twice, and change the starting point, so starting point right here is 30. Put it right here for sorry, 300. Put it 400. Okay, and the same map. Okay, and the last one is the Ruby one. Okay, and if you call this command equal rules command, you will see everything. Okay, and if I did equalize right now, I see that I have call rule because I'm 0 and its starting point is 0. Okay, and if I register the game, it will give me the core rank because its starting point is 0. Okay, sorry for the lag. Okay, sorry for the lag. And as you can see, I got the core rule. Okay, okay, if you wanted to delete a rule, you can just equal remove underscore rule, rule, and mention the rules that you want to delete. And if you did equal rules, okay, equal rules, you will see that the Ruby has been deleted from the map. Okay, and if I change my elo, okay, I'm 70 to, for example, 150, you will okay, you will see that I got the iron roll. Okay, and if I did equal info, you will see that I have the iron rank. Okay, if you wanna reset all the rules, you can just type equal reset all underscore rules, and it will send you a confirmation. Are you sure about resetting all the rules? Just click on yes, and all the rules has been deleted. Okay, and that's all for the rules. Let's move to the next part. So let's talk about permissions in Spot. If any member has administrator permissions in the server, he will be able to use all the commands, the administration commands, the scoring commands, the general commands, everything. But let's say if you wanted to allow a rank to use the administration commands without having administration permissions in the server. Okay, you will just do equal add underscore admin, okay, underscore role, and mention the roles that you want to add. And for example, I will mention the admin role, and if you want to the role is already okay, I have added it already. Okay, and if I wanted to check or to see all the admin roles in my server, in your server, you can just do equal admin underscore roles. Okay, so okay, admin, so all the members that have this rank will be able to use all the commands in the bot. And there is another option, is to allow someone to use just the scoring commands, the general commands and the scoring command. They will not be able to use administrator commands. Okay, so you can you will create a role. Okay, call it scorer or whatever you want. Okay, for example, for our scorer. Okay, skip the step, skip. Okay, and you will equal add underscore scorer underscore role. Okay, and mention the roles that you have created. Okay, and yeah, okay, successfully added. And you can do equal score rules too. Okay, and you can do equal remove underscore scorer underscore role, and mentions the rank or the role. Okay, and it will be deleted. And you can do it with admin rules too, so equal remove underscore admin underscore role, and mention the admin role. Wait a minute, because I mistyped it. Okay, and okay, admin role has been removed successfully. Okay, that's all for the permissions in the bot. Let's move to the next part. So let's talk about the info command. Okay, this is a premium feature. So if you are in an unpremium server, you want to get the states like that, and if you wanted to get it like that, justify the premium. Okay, there are 4 default backgrounds in the bot, and the bot chooses from them randomly when someone calls the command. So say if you don't like any of the backgrounds and you want to change the backgrounds and add your special group of backgrounds. Okay, you can just upload the image that you want, for example this, upload it. Okay, and type equal add underscore info underscore image and upload. Okay, okay, it raises error because the image has to be 516x 420 and 42. Okay, so you can edit your image to be this size. Okay, and re-upload it. So I have one right here. Okay, and why didn't it upload? Sorry. Okay, okay, image has been successfully added. Okay, and if I did equal info right now, you can see the background has been changed, and you can add more than one image. You can add a lot, and the bot will choose from them randomly. Okay, and says that you wanna return the default backgrounds. You added the background and it didn't like you didn't like it. Okay, so you can just do equal reset underscore info underscore images. Okay, info images has been successfully reset. If you did equal, you will find that it returned to the default background. So that's it, and let's move to the next part. Okay, say that you wanna end the season on your server, and you wanna reset the data. Okay, all you have to do is just equal reset underscore season. Okay, and it will send you a confirmation, and just click on true, and it will give you an embed with many information, total games played, total games scored, and so on, top players and everything, and the top 8 yellow. But I'm the only one who registered, so you know, I am only one who appears right here, but should be 8. Okay, and it resets the data of all the players in the server. And if I did equalize, you can see that my elo has been resetted. It was 150, and it's 0 right now. And you will say why your nickname is still 150. Yeah, you know, when I just take a win or take a loss or take an MVP, it will be reset by its own. Or you can do equal rename مثلا and put your name, and you can see that it's 0 right now. So that's all about how to reset the data, or how to reset the season. And yeah, and that is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you understand how to set up the bot in the server. And so yeah, if you wanted to buy the premium, just join the official server of the bot, or just type equal premium, and the bot will give you all the information about how to buy premium. And yeah, or you can just call, you can just mention me or DM me in the official server. And thank you, bye.